Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, my dear student? Today we will complete our chapter fraction. Today we will take finding equivalent fraction. Exercise 6.1. Okay, let's start. Here, finding equivalent fraction. If we want find the equivalent fraction, we should multiply the numerator and the denominator in the same number. So here we can find equivalent fraction by multiplying or dividing. Yani we can multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, here I will explain for you. Here if you have 1 by 2, so I will multiply the denominator into 2 and numerator into 2 and denominator also into 2. So here if you multiply 2 into 1 it will be 2, 2 into 2 it will be 4. So this is equivalent fraction. Now here if I have again 1 by 2, so I will multiply into 3. So 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6. So 3 by 6, this is equivalent fraction. This is, I repeat it again, so don't care. So here how we can check equivalent fraction. So when I say this is equivalent fraction or this not equivalent fraction, so if we have these two fraction, from where I know that it is equivalent or not, I will make something. So I will multiply 5 into 6. 5 multiply 6, it is equal 30. Okay, now I will multiply 2 into 15. 2 multiply 15, it is equal 30. So if the product is same, so it is equivalent fraction. Now here, since the cross product are equal like this, 30 and 30 equal, the fraction is equivalent. Type if the cross product are not equal, yani for example here 30 and here 40, so it is not equivalent fraction. Now here exercise 6.1, multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. So here I will multiply 1 by 4. First I will multiply into 3. So here 3 into 1 3, 3 multiply 4, it is 12. Okay, so 1 4 and 3 12, this is the equivalent fraction. Okay, type. Now here I multiply this fraction also into 3. 3 into 3, it is equal 9. 3 into 5 15. So 9 15 is the equivalent fraction for this fraction 3 by 5. Now we have this fraction 1 by 6. So I will multiply into 3. Why here I multiply into 3? Because he told me to do like this. So I multiply 1 into 3, it is 3. 3 into 6, it is 18. The homework D, E, F. Okay, here multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 4 to get equivalent fractions. So here I will start. If this one I multiply 1 by 4, 1 by 5 into first into 2. So 2 into 1 it is 2, 2 into 5 it is 10. Now here I will multiply this fraction also into 3. He told me like this. Okay, so 3 into 1 3, 3 into 5 15. Here I have different here 1 by 5. So I multiply with 4 now. So 1 by 4 is 4, 5 by 4 it is 20. Okay, here if I have this is B, 1 by 4. First I multiply into 2. Okay, so 2 by 1 is 2, 2 by 4 is 8. Now here next I multiply with 3. So here 1 by 3 it is 1 multiply 3 it is 3, 4 multiply 3 it is 12. Here I change the fraction. Here no, it should be 5 here. Okay, I will write 5, sorry 4. Okay, okay, now we return back again. Yes, last one. Here I multiply 1 into 4. So correct, like this. Okay, so here if I multiply 1 into 4 it's 4, 4 into 4 it is 16. Next slide, here, dividing. Now here if I divide also I can find the equivalent fraction. How? Here 6 by 24. If I divide 6 with 2 and 24 with 2, so I can get the equivalent fraction. So here divide 6 divided 2 it is 3, 24 divided 2 it is 12. Now here 6 and 20 by okay, so here 6 I missed this line, I don't know where it is, so I make copy and paste. Okay, look like this, we can take the line. Where is the line? Here, I can put it here. Okay, now again paste one more time and I can put it here. Okay, and save, and we will return back again. Now like this, if it is there, again it's not there, so no problem my dear. So what we will do, we will explain here. So here if you divide, if we have this fraction 6 by 24, if I divide it here into 3, we should divide also denominator into 3. Yani if I divide numerator into 3, I should divide denominator into 3. So if you divide here 6 divided 3 it is 2, 24 divided 3 it is 8. Now next here 14 and 49. So here my dear, you should search one number. You can divide it with numerator and denominator. So for this we can divide it into 7 both. Okay, so if you divide 14 divided 7 it is 2, 49 divided 7 it is 7, because 7 into 7 49. Now here if you have 48 by 32, so here also we search number, I can divide it into numerator and denominator. So here we got 4. So if you divide 28 divided 4 it is 7, 32 divided 4 it is 8. Okay, this is the homework. Now here next it 4, fill in the empty boxes. So we should do it like this better to be clear for you. Now here first I have this one 2 by 5, and next fraction here I have only 15. So what I do with 5 to be 15, so from small number to big number, so means we multiply. Okay, so I multiply 5 into 3 to be 15. Yes, so I should multiply here also in the same number, so I should multiply also into 3. So 2 into 3 it will be 6. Type next here, look here, I have here numerator but I don't have denominator. Type here the number here 5 and here 10, means this small number and this big number, means we will multiply. So I multiply 5 into what to be 10, I multiply it into 2. Because of that I will multiply also 7 into 2, it will be 14. Now look this one, look here, the number was here 5 but here 25. So the number here was small but now it is 25. So from small number to big number like this, means we will divide, but we will start from here. I divided 25 with what to be 5, so I divided with 5. Okay, so I should divide also 20 here with 5. So if you divide 20 divided 5 it is equal 4. Okay, and this is the homework. Now here cross multiply to find equivalent. If equivalent we write E. If not equivalent, we write NE. Okay, we have this. So first what we will do, we make cross multiplication. So we multiply 5 into 8 first. 5 into 8, 40. Next, 4 into 10, 4 into 10, 40. So if the product are same, means it is equivalent fraction. So I write E. Now here, also I make cross multiplication. So first I will multiply 9 into 3. 9 into 3, it is 27. Now 6 into 2, 6 into 2, it is 12. Yes, here 12. Okay. So it is the product here is not same, here 27 and here 12, so it is not equivalent. Next one, 1 by 6, and next fraction 2 by 3. So now here also I make cross multiplication. So 6 multiply 2, it is 12. 1 multiply 3, it is 3. So it is equivalent or not equivalent? Yes, correct, it is not equivalent. Why? Because the product here is not same. Now here, this is also homework, fraction in lowest term. So this is the next period, inshallah. So thank you, my dear, and inshallah see you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.